bunnies, welcome back. It's me, Jenny. How is everyone doing today? So another Easter tutorial that I have for you guys, and I'm going to show you today how I created this gift tag with just paper and one sticker. That's it. That's all you're going to need. You're going to need some scrap paper and one sticker, and basically we'll create this really adorable layering tag in no time. Now, the reason behind me making these tags is because I need to start making flat embellishments, because I'm going to be stuffing or I'm going to be using all these flat embellishments to create a pocket little stuffed envelope that I'm going to be mailing out. So that's the reason behind me making these little gift tags. Let me show you so you can see how easy and simple this is to create. Pick out your papers that you want to work with. Now, the paper that I picked out is from this collection called Cottontail Collection from Bo Bunny. I just got an order from Scrapbook and this came in. I was super excited. I couldn't wait to use this paper. It's beautiful. So I picked out a few papers from this collection, which I have here already. And I went and took my punches. Now, you're going to need a big circle punch. You're going to need a smaller circle punch. You're going to need a second small circle punch, and you're going to need a tiny circle punch. I'm layering this tag on top of, like, circles on top of circles. So you're gonna need, in order for these circles to show, you're going to need different sizes of circle. You don't need to use so many. You can use 2 circles, you can use 3 circles, you can use 4 circles, you can use 5 circles, you can use as many circles as you want. So basically decide on how many you want to make, how much layering your tags are going to be, and that's basically it, guys. The other thing that I'm using, which I am super excited about because I've been dying to use these little tiny stickers that come in this sticker book from Michaels, and I love these little tiny stickers, but I don't know how to use them. So I started thinking to myself, I can definitely use these in this project, and that's exactly what I did. I don't know if you can see there, but if you can see there, you have a little tiny little bird in the center of my tag, and I used a little bird from this little sticker pad. Okay, basically that's all you're going to do. Cut out your circles. I have here 3. And I'm going to show you how simple this is, okay? Literally, I'm going to show you how quick and simple this is to create. I have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 circles. Cut out your circle. Start with the big one first. Here, let me cut one out for you. Okay? Assemble them in a line back like that so that it's easy for you to work with. Cut out your next circle, which is going to be the smaller circle. Here I have it. So you're going to add these circles in the center. See that? Right here. Right here. And you can mix match this, which is awesome. Okay, let's cut another one. Gotta cut another one. Let's cut it on this particular. Nope. Yeah, why not? I'm gonna add this circle right there. That's it, right? You see that so far. Now you're going to add your smaller circle, which is this one. Add that in the center. Right in the center. Right here. I need to cut out a few more, so let's do that. It's gonna go here. This one's gonna go here. And this one is gonna go here. Bam, we're done. This is already coming out cute, isn't it? So now the last step that we're gonna do is we're going to cut out the smaller circle, which is this one that I'm using here. Now this one is going to be a white background because your stickers have a lot of color in them, and if you put the stickers with the color pattern, it's gonna get lost. It's gonna get lost in the pattern. So I thought to myself, maybe the best way is to have a circle, simple white circle, add the sticker in the middle, and then you'll create something like this, where your stickers kind of stick out. Versus if I, for example, let's just say, let me just use this as an example. And if I use, let's say this color right here, or this pattern of paper, right? This one. And I put a sticker on that pattern of paper, any sticker, doesn't matter which one. Let's use this little bunny one. It still looks cute. Don't get me wrong. See there? It looks cute. Don't get me wrong. I love it. But I feel that the image kind of gets lost in so many patterns. So I think that, to me, in my eyes, it would be better to use a white background and then just add the sticker right in the center. You can do however you want. Either way is fine, okay? So let's cut out a few little tiny ones. So we need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? So use the papers, whatever papers you have. I'm gonna use this one, and I'm just gonna cut out 6 little circles. Okay, now I have 6 little circles. Now that we have that going, come in your little sticker book and see what little stickers you're going to use, and just add your little stickers to the center of your little circle. Okay, that's it. Can you see there? Should I move more up? Hold on. Here are my little circles, okay? I don't know if you can see. Can you see there better? Yeah. These are my little circles. I'm just going to add in the center of the circles some stickers. Just pick whatever stickers are, you know, catches your eye. You can even use a Happy Easter one too if you want. I like these little chickies. These little chickies to me are so cute. See them? Can you see them? Because I know they're really, really tiny. But they're so cute, these little birdies. You can also use an Easter egg if you want. I mean, these little stickers have so many little images in here that you can use that literally it is the most adorable things ever. Okay, I got 2 more to go. Okay, and now that we have our little stickers here to our little circle, as you can see there, let's put these on the side and let's put these gift tags together. Okay, so very simple, very easy. Put these on the side. Let's start with the big circle, as we have here, the big circles. Let's start layering. Use your glue gun or tape runner and just layer. So I'm gonna add a little bit of glue on the back of this one, or tape, and just add it in the center. See that? And I'm not thinking, very hard on how to layer these down. I'm just layering them down. My thought is making sure that every single circle is a different pattern. That's all. I don't care about anything else, because if I start thinking about, oh, should I put this one here? Should I put that one there? Then you'll never get this done. You'll never get it done. So just glue them down. Don't worry about it. Don't think too hard. Unless you have a theme. If you have a theme that you want to do, then that's different. But if you're just doing this for fun, don't drive yourself crazy. Trust me. Okay, here we go. Now, here I have the same design. So what I can do is I can go back and punch out another different design, because I don't want the design to be the same. So I'm going to just punch out another circle using this beautiful pink. And then that, to me, looks much better than using the same design on each circle. Done. Let's do the other one, the medium-sized one, which are these right here. I'm going to put those down. Again, don't think, just layer. There you have it. And already our circle is complete. There you have it. There you go. Oh, wait, I'm missing one here. I knew I had an extra one. This one. Okay, there you go. All of them are all lined up. They look fabulous, and they're all basically done. The next thing you have to do is basically just layer your little sticker right in the center of these, and you're done. That's it. So let's do that. You can even add it here if you want. Make it easier, because these are really, really tiny. Now, I told you guys that I'm doing this because I need to find embellishments that are flat so I can add them to my goodie bag. But if I were to use these embellishments in my regular crafting, situation, what I would do is with these little tiny stickers, I would add dimension. So let me show you how awesome it looks when you add dimension to these stickers. So here I have these dimensions that I love to use that I get at Michael's. And I'm just going to add 2 right in the center. I'm going to add another one with a dimension, and I'm going to show you the difference, how awesome it looks when you add dimension to these little stickers. And it looks really, really cute because it looks like a little button. You see that? How cute does that look? I love it. So you can do different things to your project. So now that we have all our stickers basically glued down, guess what? We're done. We don't need anything else. The only other thing that we need is to poke a little hole to our little tag, put a little string right through it, and we're finished. So that's all we're going to basically do for this project. I have here my little tiny Martha Stewart little punch. I'm basically just going to go in here and make a little punch right on my little tag, as you can see there. And I'm not even measuring anything. I'm just punching a little hole because it's gonna be fine. You don't have to really go crazy doing this and overthinking it. Just have fun. Here I have my little string. Use whatever you have. If you have ribbon, use ribbon. If you have twine, use twine. If you have lace, use lace. Use whatever it is that you have. Here in my case, I'm going to use these silver strings that I don't even know where I got from, but I kind of like them because of the color contrast. So just string this right through your little hole. Wait, this is making it difficult to string because the little hole is very, very, very tiny. So okay, there we go. There we go. See that? Just string it right through. Just like that. Make another knot. And there you have it. See that? Let's do the rest. Let's do 2 more, and then I think you guys get the idea behind it, right? I believe that I can say that you guys more or less have the idea behind it. I like to cut these in half because it makes my supplies a little bit, you know, a little bit last long, I guess. And you don't really need like a long string for this. You really don't. There you go again. Sometimes what I do also is I go like this and I just make a nice little knot this way as well, or I'll just make a knot here and then another knot just like that, and then another knot, and bam, there you have it. See that? Let me do 1 more, and then we can officially say that this video is complete. And then this does do 2 things, right? Your pen pal is going to get a super adorable little gift tag, and you get rid of all those little tiny little stickers that you have that you don't know what to do with, right? Because I know you have them. If you buy those Michael's sticker books, I know you have them. And that is how you create these really super fun, adorable little gift tags. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that it was fun for you guys to see me create these adorable little gift tags. And I'm hoping that it gave you some ideas on how to use the stickers that come in here in these little amazing sticker books. Okay, honeys? Okay, I think we are basically done. I hope you guys enjoy watching me make these. Make sure you give me a thumbs up. Make sure you leave me a comment at the bottom of this video and tell me what you think about these. And follow me on Instagram to see more pictures. I will see you on my next video. Have a fantastic weekend and be safe.